What we have here is an 8x16 two-dog kennel with the feed room. This is a top-of-the-line building here. We've got an insulated room here, fiberglass lined. So you can look at this here. We've got a pre-hung door that has a PVC lined frame. It's not gonna rot out on you for years of longevity. This door here is also a fiberglass door, so when you bang it, there's not gonna be any dings on it. Totally maintenance free. The floor here, we've got a rubber coated floor. So when your dog has an accident in here, you're not gonna ruin the floor. It's gonna last. Some sort of a rubber line, like a pickup box line thing here. Walking around, you can see the two runs here. You can keep your dog separate. Just want to go in here and show you. This here is the dog door, glass, aluminum. Got some, we'll close here. We've got some springs right here. We've got some stainless steel right here. Nothing for the dog to chew on. This is a vinyl plastic, kind of like your decking here. So, going outside. We've got some nice trim work on it, white and black, a steel roof for longevity. So there it is, folks.